Hello kids, welcome to my new video. First we're going to know the colors name. Sky blue color, light green color, red color, orange color, pink color and yellow color. Now let's learn the numbers counting 1 to 20. First, 1. Number 1. 1 for 1 apple. Next, 2. Number 2. 2 for 2 apple. Next, 3. Number 3. 3 for 3 apple. Next, 4. Number 4. 4 for 4 apple. Next, 5. Number 5. 5 for 5 apple. Next, 6. Number 6. 6 for 6 apple. Next, 7. Number 7. 7 for 7 apple. Next, 8. Number 8. 8 for 8 apple. Next, 9. Number 9. 9 for 9 apple. Next, 10. Number 10. 10 for 10 apple. Next, 11. 1. 1. 11. 11 for 11 apple. Next, 12. 1. 2. 12. 12 for 12 apple. Next, 13. 1. 3. 13. 13 for 13 apple. Next, 14. 1. 4. 14. 14 for 14 apple. Next, 15. 1. 5. 15. 15 for 15 apple. Next, 16. 1. 6. 16. 16 for 16 apple. Next, 17. 1. 7. 17. 17 for 17 apple. Next, 18. 1. 8. 18. 18 for 18 apple. Next, 19. 1. 9. 19. 19 for 19 apple. Next kids, 20. 2. 0. 20. 20 for 20 apple. What we learn? We learn 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1 0 10, 1 1 11, 1 2 12, 1 3 13, 1 4 14, 1 5 15, 1 6 16, 1 7 17, 1 8 18, 1 9 19, 2 0 20. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe. Bye bye.